Nairobi.
Riwruok mar jopuonj e sikunde jopuonjre manigi ng'ol kusnet kwayo migawo mar somo mondo ket tenge omenda moromo ne chenro mag penj e skundego. Jagoro mar kusnet James Torome ne oloso e skund primary man Kapilili manie alwora mar Narok North kokwayo jood bura mondo sir paro mar chwalo omenda e saa mowinjore. Jopuonj mar skundno Clemencia Kwamboka kwayo piny owacho mondo sir nyithindo manigi ng'ol mana kaka gikonyo nyithindo mong'aw e skunde mamoko. Bende nokwa familia man gi nyithindo manigi ng'ol mondo tergi gindikre ne chenro mag somo.
There are some who had been rehabilitated. They have gone under surgery, and now, unless you are used with them, you may not know. They are very okay. They are among the others, apart from these ones you have seen still who are in the wheelchairs.
Walimu, sister, tumekuja vile tumekuja. And because we have got the will and the touch of these children, when they're integrated here, I think God is doing his miracle to see them being transformed. Let's not shy away from asking donors because we need support for these children. These children alone, they cannot ask for help unless we ourselves, inclusive of what we feel right in our hands.
The government of the Republic of Kenya to start now funding the private special schools. These are learners who have been neglected for a very long period. But through now the Minister for Education, we are urging him, the way they are funding the examination for both public and private, they start now funding the private special school. We are also calling upon the county government, and not only the county government in Narok, across the country, they are supposed now to focus on special needs because this area has been neglected for a very long time.